Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're stopping by for the first time, my name is Adekunle. You can also call me the Alpha Glam. If you are new here, thank you. I'm happy that you stumbled on my post, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you for always being here with me. So guys, today I'll be showing you on how to achieve a salty, beautiful Valentine look. Yeah, like it's the love season, it's the Valentine season, and I'm sure that you have events or you have a date that you like to attend. I'll be showing you how I achieve this look, the method, the tricks, and the products. And if this is something you like to watch, kindly keep on watching. So guys, you're welcome back again, and first off, I'll be going into my snail motion. This is an essence. I kind of have my skin is actually fighting a tough war with me right now, but I believe by God's grace everything will be settled. I'll be using this around my face just to hydrate my face. I already toned my face, and I used the Beauty of Jose face toner. An hydrated face toner. I'll be going into this just to add some moisture into my skin. So I'll wait for this to dry up and sink into my skin. Don't forget to take it down to your neck. Don't worry, there will be another class on skincare, but with the way my skin is, I think I'm just using my face to experiment about different skin products. So with time, by the time I get an hang of it and I know what to do, don't worry, I'll be showing you and sharing the tips with you guys. I'll be going into this moisturizer. This is the simple makeup moisturizer. Press into my skin. So yes, and once that is dried up, my sunscreen. This is the Skin Aqua UV Super Moisture Gel. It's nice, but it has a bit of alcohol in it. I think I'll be changing it soon, but for now, this is all I have. So let's make it work. Yeah. Going into my neck, my shoulders, making sure everywhere is super protected. So my skin looks plump already. I'll be going into this Zaron mattifier to mattify my T-zones. I don't think I'll be going into a primer. So quickly, I'll be applying this on my T-zone. Guys, ignore the big pimple here. Like, I noticed that anytime I have a video to make, that is when my skin starts acting up. And instead of it to come in small bits, it comes in big, large pimples like this. Because why is this red and painful? I just know that before June this year, my face would hear the word of the Lord. I'll be going into this Nars and Superstay foundation. I like the Nars because it's luminous. I like this because it is matte. So this is my shade, a little bit lighter, and then this one is a little bit darker. So I'll be mixing both of them together to get the perfect shade. Going into my damp beauty blender to blend my face. You want to start from the start of your face first before moving to the next side of your face. The reason why the center of my nose is white like this is because I applied two doses, or how will I put it? I applied the mattifier twice, 2 layers. So it tends to turn white when you apply a lot of it. But because I really want a matte look, that's why I used a lot. So I'm going to the other side. Now I'll be covering it up with the foundation. I'll be going into my concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toast. Sometimes it's advisable to use your brush to apply your concealer so that it can layer properly. Going into my beauty blender to blend it. So I believe blending actually is what takes a lot of time on my channel, and you know I always tell you blending is key. The way you blend really determines the outlook of your makeup. So guys, I hope you are enjoying the video. I hope you love it, and if you do, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that anytime I have a new video you can be notified first. So here I am still blending, so it really takes a longer time to do this, but we'll soon be done. And I really like the way the look is coming out. I hope you do too. Like, looking good. I'll be going to the side I use for my foundation on the sides of my face so that I can blend in the ash lines. You don't want any ash lines, girls. So when he's looking at you, you won't be looking at, why is there a line on her face? Yes. So you can see my face looks lifted up. Yeah, that's that. So just a little bit here. Well, I believe that for dark skin, we don't need to go so much into ash contouring and highlighting, and that's because we're dark. So naturally, your skin is contoured already. I don't know if you get. You just need to focus on your highlights and try your best not to look lighter than the exact color, because at the end of the day, it defeats the purpose. Because I mattified my face, I really mattified my face with that Zaron oil block. Your face will tend to get, your face will try to absorb all the hydration it has in your face. It will be taking the moisture, the hydration from inside your skin. But to prevent that, I'll be going into this Badescu spray. I'll be going into this just to hydrate all over my face. And I'll be going into my beloved setting powder. This is a compact powder. This is Milani in shade Deep. If you know me, you know this is what I use on a regular day. I use this every day. I'll be going into my powder puff. Yes, this is my powder puff. I'll be using that to set under my eyes. So while I wait for my face to dry. So right here, I was practicing my transition for my new video on Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen it. I just decided to just do something different and use my face this time for Valentine look. And it came out well. And I still have a lot of videos I'll be dropping. So you can follow me on Instagram on @alphaglam. I do makeup on people professionally and it really comes out well. So let's keep on enjoying the video. To define the place. That's that, guys. Yes, I know it looks funny, but like we always say, trust the process. For my powder shade, I'll be going into this. I'll be applying this on the rest of my face, especially on the contoured areas, because this is like my skin shade. I'll be going into my Morphe Bronzer in Prodigy. Further set my contour. It's very dark, but it's beautiful. For my setting powder, I'm using this Beauty by AD setting powder in Tanning. Into my blush. You apply it on the top of your contour. On the top, guys. You can bring it a bit here, but make sure it's on the top of it, so everything can sink in together. Put it on your forehead. The remainder on your brush, you apply it on your forehead. Little bit on your nose. I'm going back into my bronzer for a quick nose contour. You want to make sure your nose is snatched. I don't want a disfigured nose. You want a pointed nose. My nose looks good this way. Are we going into this brow tamer? Make sure you brush in your brow tamer properly into the air so you can stay put. Into this wedge to set the brows. To set the brows, I'm using my Milani dip. This is to take the oil away from the brows. You don't want your brows to feel oily, and to make it stay in place throughout.
Yes, so for my brows, you already know we draw the first outline, then the second outline. I'm using my Davies pencil in 03. It's an OG pencil.
So after doing this, you draw in your strokes.
If you want a brow tutorial, don't hesitate to drop your comments, and we can make an updated brow tutorial for 2023. So let me know if you would like to see a brow tutorial on this channel. Yes, so this is me currently brushing up the brows, and after this I am highlighting the brows with my concealer in Toast. So just a light color just to make the brows pop, and that is what your girl is doing right now.
I'll be blending it in using this. I'll start from the lighter part first. I'll be setting it with my powder. So for my eyeshadow, I won't be going into so much because you know the color for Valentine is red. That's the shouting color, and I'm going to be wearing a red dress. So I just want something cool on my eyes, like, because I think I'll be going into a red lip. Yes, I'll be going into red lips. So I just think it's just better for me to just do something not so much on my eyes. And since I have my contact on, I feel like that's enough attention to the eyes. You don't want to put too much attention. I feel like for makeup, you have to just know where you want to put your attention. Is it on the brows, on your lips, on your eyes? Having so much going on at the time does not make, I don't feel like it makes sense. It makes things look so dramatic and all over the place. So I think the attention will be on my lips. Yeah, so if you know me, you know for my I love brown eyes. So I'll be going into my bronzer just to darken my eyes. Take it close to my nose so that the nose contour and my eyes can be together. I'll be smoking my eyes at the side with this Coco Urban dark eye, just a little bit, just to give a bit smoky eyes. So I'm using a little bit under my eyes. I like the effect that it is giving. I believe it is giving already. I want to diffuse the black a bit with the brown. This is perfect. If I want to go the extra mile, I'll just take a little bit of glitz. Should I or should I not? Just a little bit. Let's see. Yeah. My tear dots. I don't know. It looks okay. Just a little bit. Not so obvious. You know already, right now I'm going into my Zaron Mascara and my Kajal. You know my steps. You already know that these two are a must-have.
So right now this step is called the tight lining. I'm applying it at the top of my waterline and applying it under.
Straight into my mascara.
Currently dusting off the excess powder under my eyes. I'm using the Milani in deep to dust off too, just to give my under eyes a pop.
I'll be setting the rest of my face with this sealowatt setting spray. So for my lips, I'll be going into this Morphe pencil to line my lips. I'm going to do Beauty by AD. My fancy clear lip gloss.
So after this, I'm trying to clear the sides of my lip just to make sure the lipstick looks precise on my face, and setting it with the powder. Then I went in to fix my lashes, and after doing this, we have our final result. Yes.
So we have come to the end of this look, and I hope you love the finished look. I was a little bit skeptical about the lips, but I think I'm getting to love it. And my beautiful outfit is made by Pumia Bogon. Yes, she makes beautiful gowns. So guys, if you love this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and drop your comments. So till next time, bye.